In this second video, we'll discuss overtime conversion and how to use comp time. Check out the first comp time video for setup instructions. Starting with overtime conversion, let's go to the left pane main menu. Under Administration, click on Payroll, and then Timesheet Approvals. This will bring up the Report Options window where managers can configure the report. Make your selections, then click the Continue button to view the report. For a more detailed view and to convert overtime into comp time, check the box next to the employee's name and click the View Details button. If an employee has overtime and is eligible to convert overtime to comp time, then options to convert all overtime to comp time, keep all overtime, and partially convert overtime will display. We're going to select Partially Convert Overtime. Enter the amount of time to be converted to comp time and click the Convert button. You will have the option to confirm the timesheet. To confirm, check the box, then click the Confirm button. Earned comp time can be used to make up time, just like a benefit, when an employee has under 40 hours. Comp time can be requested by the employee on the My Benefits Request page, or managers can enter it through the Employee Benefit Details page. Comp time can also be entered through the Time Edit Report and the Batch Time entry. To use Earned Comp Time, employees navigate to the My Benefits Request page. From there, the Current Levels table will show the amount of time that is available for each benefit type, including comp time. If there is comp time available, click the plus sign on the Request Benefit Time bar to expand the window. Enter the date and time you want off. From the Benefit Type / Subclass drop-down menu, select the name of the comp time you wish to use. In this example, it's just been named Comp Time. Enter the amount of hours, then click the Save or Split and Save button to submit your request. When managers need to enter comp time usage, they navigate to Benefits and then click on Employee Benefit Details. Select an employee from the drop-down box, then click the View Use Benefits button. Once the screen is done loading, you will notice that Display Options is still viewable, and more information is being displayed below. Under Use Benefit Time, input the effective date and time that the employee has requested off. Under Benefit Type / Subclass, select the name of the comp time. Again, here it's just named Comp Time. Enter the amount of time to be used, and then choose to either split and save or just save. It's important to note the TimeIPS IPSCOMP module adds functionality that facilitates compliance with FLSA 29 USC 2070, but there are some aspects of the law that may need manual attention in special situations. When using this module, please carefully read FLSA 29 USC 2070 to ensure compliance.